The sea that kills, the deadly secrets of the Black Sea. Imagine a sea so mysterious, so deadly, that scientists believe one spark could wipe out millions. Beneath the calm surface of the Black Sea, there lies a ticking time bomb, an ocean filled with toxic gas, ancient secrets, and a dark past that science still struggles to explain. This is not just another sea. This is the sea that kills. The Black Sea lies quietly between Europe and Asia, bordered by countries like Turkey, Russia, and Ukraine. But unlike any other sea on Earth, this one is deadly from within. Nearly 90% of its waters are anoxic, meaning, they contain no oxygen at all. Deep below the surface, instead of life, there's only a poisonous gas, hydrogen sulfide, the same gas used in chemical weapons. Just a few hundred meters down, the water turns black, lifeless, and completely toxic. No fish. No plants. No oxygen. Just death. Scientists discovered this strange chemical sea decades ago, but they still can't explain how it became so deadly. Some believe it's a natural trap where organic matter sank to the bottom and decomposed without oxygen, releasing toxic gases that stayed trapped under the heavy salt water layers. Others think it's something far older, a relic from the time when the sea was once a giant freshwater lake, before being flooded by the Mediterranean thousands of years ago. Either way, this mixture created a perfect chemical bomb, just waiting to erupt. What makes the Black Sea so terrifying is that this deadly gas doesn't just stay quiet. If a major earthquake, underwater landslide, or volcanic eruption ever disturbed the seabed, the hydrogen sulfide could rush to the surface. Scientists warn that a massive release could poison the air for hundreds of kilometers, wiping out entire coastlines. Imagine millions of cubic meters of toxic gas rising from the sea, invisible, silent, and deadly. The entire region could turn into a living nightmare. The Black Sea doesn't just hide poison, it hides history. Archaeologists discovered ancient shipwrecks perfectly preserved deep below, untouched for thousands of years. Why? Because the toxic, oxygen-free waters prevent decay. It's like a time capsule of lost civilizations, vessels from ancient Greece, Byzantium, and even the Roman Empire, frozen in time beneath a sea of death. Local fishermen have told stories for centuries, tales of ships that never returned, strange lights rising from the water, and patches of the sea where birds suddenly drop dead mid-flight. Scientists once thought these were myths until satellite imagery and sensors began confirming strange gas bubbles rising from below. The sea literally breathes from time to time, releasing faint plumes of poison into the air. And the more the climate changes, the more unstable the sleeping monster becomes. Today, countries around the Black Sea fear one terrifying possibility: that industrial drilling or military activity could disturb the balance. If even a small portion of the trapped gas were released, it could trigger a chain reaction, one that scientists compare to the ancient Lake Nyos disaster, where an invisible cloud of gas suffocated everything in its path. The difference? The Black Sea is 1,000 times bigger. Beneath the waves, a silent killer waits. The surface looks peaceful, the beaches look beautiful. But deep below, an ancient ocean breathes poison, waiting for the day it finally exhales. The world calls it the Black Sea. But maybe, it's not named for its color. Maybe, it's named for its soul.